everyone, we're going to use separation of variables to solve the initial value problem given here. We have y equals 0 when x is 0 for our initial value problem. The first thing, let's separate the variables since they're separable. What I'm going to do is first rewrite this. So I'm going to have dy dx equals cosine of x. And I'm going to rewrite this because we're going to have to separate those. And this is going to be e to the power of y times e to the power of sine of x, just using my product rule for exponents. So now the next thing I'm going to do is just move this dx up here and divide by e to the power of y. So we're going to have 1 divided by e to the power of y dy equals cosine of x times e to the power of sine of x dx. I'm also going to just write this this fraction. I'm going to change it and write it as e to the power of negative y using negative exponent properties. And then we do integrate both sides of the equation. So the left-hand side, we're just going to get negative e to the power of negative y. On the right-hand side, we have to do a little u substitution. Just let u equal sine of x. So du equals cosine of x dx. So basically this can be written as the integral of u du. It's e to the power of u, sorry. So when you integrate this, you just get e to the power of u, and our u is sine of x. So this is just going to be e to the power of sine of x, and you add your plus c. Now let's solve for our c. We're going to let y and x both be 0. So we have negative e to the power of 0 equals e to the power of sine of 0 plus c. This is going to give you negative 1. Sine of 0 is 0. E to the 0 power is 1. So you subtract 1 from both sides, you get c equals negative 2. So our equation now is going to be negative e to the power of negative y equals e to the power of sine of x minus 2. Now, the next slide, we're going to have to solve for y. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to multiply through by negative, and so we're going to get e to the power of negative y equals negative e sine of x to the power of sine of x. We had minus 2, so now it's plus 2. All right, so now we're going to take the natural log of both sides of the equation. So I'll put ln here. I'm going to write the 2 first. I don't like to lead with negative if I don't have to. All right, so that's what we have. Bring this negative y down. So you get negative y equals ln of 2 minus e to the power of sine of x. We're solving for y, not negative y. So multiply through by negative 1, you get y equals negative ln of 2 minus e to the power of sine of x. And your domain is all real numbers. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.